Welcome back to the Amoskeag, everybody. This is the May 2021 update of the layout. We're going to go over a couple things. Not too much going on the last month or so, mostly because of the warmer weather. Outdoor projects are taking priority, but we'll take a look at a few of the things that have occurred on the layout to kind of show you what's been moving along here. And two of those are the installation of the temporary bridge across where the swing bridge is going to be, and the finishing of the temporary track through staging linking the east and west ends of the layout, so now that I can run trains roundy round while I'm working on the layout. So as you guys have seen in a couple different videos, I've talked about the swing bridge is going to go right here. I have two scenes that I've got picked out for what I want to do here. One is a bridge over a river. The other one is a bridge over an interstate. I really haven't decided what I want to put in there yet, but I really want to get trains running. So what I decided to do was use this 1x4 to put a temporary bridge over this, so I could at least get trains running on the layout. And it also helps test the blocks and the computer programming. It helps out quite a bit. I painted it yellow, so because it doesn't move, it's just screwed down in here right now. Painted it yellow so that I could see it. The original plan was to paint it red, so it was very obvious. And apparently I don't have any red paint, so I decided, I'll just paint it construction yellow. It'll be the same thing. It's obvious and sticks out. I have bumped myself into this thing more times than I can count, so we're gonna have to put some red paint on that, at least for now. Like I said, the real reason why I got that temporary bridge installed was to kind of get the trains running and to help with setting up the computers and the BDL 168s and whatnot. And with the outdoor projects, as I said earlier, kind of taking priority right now, I really just didn't have the time to work on the swing bridge. The swing bridge is going to take a lot of time and effort to make sure it's done right and properly. That way I don't have any issues with shifting and swelling and whatnot. So this will at least work, get things going. Like I said, roundy for now. Not too much has occurred over in Amoskeag yard. I have finished the number 2 main line through this section, and then the west yard, which is just 2 tracks for storing cars as it waits for like the local to come over here and sort them on the east side. I got that corked down. I just got to get the turnouts and the track installed. I'm mocking some structures in here, figure out what I'm doing. Market basket again one of the larger structures on the layout, which is actually built in full scale. And then I've been working on some scenery over here near Granite Street. I got the sidewalks painted, started doing some base dirt, scenery, and gravel. Ballasting as well. So we have the parking lot for the Quick Trip, and then the culvers, once again, neither of which are in New Hampshire, but seeing how I've got a lot of family and I visit out in the Midwest, those are going to be in here as well. So if you're from the Midwest and you come to look at the layout, it might be a little confusing, and then if you're from the Northeast, it might be confusing because you don't know where those are. Couple custom models, kits I've been working on for a friend, and not too much over here. Again, like I said, on the west end of the layout. This has just been the last couple months, last month or so has just been working on some sound decoders, reprogramming them, and doing some painting. I got some customer work that I've been working on as well too. the temperature is just getting about right to be doing some painting on some customer work and getting the track and wiring all done for the west and east end to connect in the staging. So I'll throw some videos in here of the trains going by. I got a couple of run-bys going here by the Mill District, and then again over on the other side, over by where Nycoa is. So, but that's about it. Like I said, most of the project's been outside, so I've just been dabbling here and there. Not too much, but we'll see you guys next month. Make sure to follow along on the Facebook page. I do post as frequently as I can while I'm working on projects. Obviously, it's a lot easier than making videos and editing them, so you can follow them there. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks.